How to transfer CashApp to PayPal. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer CashApp to PayPal. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To transfer CashApp to PayPal, you have to make sure your CashApp is verified. Once the CashApp bank account is verified, you can add money to your PayPal account by going to PayPal, then on the Finances option, and then tap on the Add Money from Bank or Card option you see there. Now, go ahead and enter the amount you want to add and tap on the Next option. Further, select in 3 to 5 days option and now tap on the Change button next to your bank account and make sure your CashApp bank account is selected. When ready, tap on the Add Now button. Your money will be transferred from CashApp to PayPal in a few days.